Make sure to like the video. What is up, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be destroying my TV finally with a BB gun. I'll have my brother helping me with it because, I don't know, he wants to break it with me. But I get the first shot because, it's my TV. Let's get it! What up, homie? What made you come over here?
Nothing, I just saw you out doing something. I didn't know what you were doing.
Is it loading?
Yeah, safety's on.
Okay.
You'd be the last person I'll hand a gun without a safety on. You'll fling it and hit somebody. You hit it.
I hit it.
Yeah, it moved.
So I skipped the rest of them shooting. Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah, it looks good. That looks workable.
Anybody want a brand new TV?
Real brand new.
Now let's shoot it again.
I'm renting a TV though.
Yeah, renting. This one.
Cocked it back and shot me.
And this, yeah.
You got murder on your mind?
Yup. How did it ISIS people?
I'll just shoot it.
Make sure to like the video. Boy! Okay. Don't let glass get in your face. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, Jason. Chill out. Here's Johnny. Boy! You gotta be kidding me.
Break the stand.
Dude, watch out.
No, mine.
Alright, then break it.
Watch out. Make sure to like the video. Hey guys, it's me editing the video here. I just finished editing it. This video was kind of rushed and somehow edited it in the same day. I don't know how I did that. But guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It was rushed, as I'm saying. And stay happy, stay positive.